Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to your bonus World Card Making Day video. We have decided to try a little challenge, and that is that I have gone through my craft room and pulled a selection of tools together. A lot of tools. We're not doing a 10-minute challenge. We're doing a different kind of challenge. The challenge is this. I'm going to leave a card base on my work surface, and one by one my staff is going to come in, just the ones who want to participate. You may not see everybody. It's volunteer. So the ones who want to participate are going to come in one by one and add one element to the card. Now when we finish the card, one of you guys will be a lucky winner of the card. Maybe lucky, maybe not. I don't know what the card's going to look like. We're going to do a giveaway in the description, so be sure to open the description. I will do a list of all the tools I left out for them to use in the description below so you can see what they had to use. But a basic overview is going to be like, I'm using one of our card bases. This is an A2 card base and envelope. I'm definitely giving them Scotty, of course. One ink, although this is a little dangerous because I'm also going to give them all of my Nuvo markers to use. They're all sitting to the side. So this could smear, and that's kind of unfair. But for my folks, they're kind of new to stamping and they'll get a better image with this. They won't be as sad about it. So we're going to go with it. So they're going to get this ink, some blocks, scoreboard, some paper is underneath here. Do you see that? There's 2 packs. So I gave them a fall and then a plaid. And then I've got some bling, 3 stamp sets, Brewtiful, blessings, happy, actually 4 stamp sets. I'm also giving them pumpkin head. That'll all be in the description. Here's the tools. You can kind of see. Kind of a selection of things I would normally use. There's some tags if somebody decides to add a tag to a card. I give them a dental threader. Half of them won't know what it is. There's a mono sand eraser. 4 different ribbons. 3 baker's twines. Sounds like the 12 Days of Christmas. 2 turtle doves. And some art glitter glue. And like I said, my markers. So we're just going to see what happens. This is just for fun. And please remember, my staff don't make cards. They're just going to add one element. And we're just going to see what happens. So enough chat. Let's do this thing. Well, it's me. I know you were expecting probably Vinny, but he is not here today, so he's not a part of this challenge, so I have to finish it up. But I have to tell you something. This is a pretty impressive little card that they made. And let's do our little checklist. Let's see if they went down everything. So is there a matte layer? Yes. Is there an outside sentiment? Yes. Is there an inside sentiment? Yes. Is there a focal image? There is. is there a 3D piece like ribbon, twine, or bling? There is. And then it says, is there an item lifted up? There's 2 lifted up. Both of these are lifted. Or is this one? Yes, both of these are lifted up. And then don't forget the envelope and check it out. Oh, look, there's a fingerprint. Well, I need to add an item. So what if my item fixes this? So let me think how I want to fix it. Should I stamp or let's just see. I don't know. Let me look. Maybe we can add, I don't have stickers because this is a paper pack, but why can't I fussy cut one of these flowers and put right there? Let's do it. Let's just see what this does. So I hope you have enjoyed this World Card Making Day quick video. Like, it's literally Friday right now. Matter of fact, what time is it? It's 5 till 12. And when I finish this, we're going to hand this video over to Jordan and let him edit it and put it up for you guys. But I love that my staff is willing to, at the risk of, you know, you guys of bad comments, which I know you won't do, but you know, they come in here and they play and they have a good time. And I just love it. And I got to be honest, this card is pretty cool. Now, if you would like to receive this particular card in your mailbox, all you need to do is in the description below. So you got to open the description where it says show more. All you need to do is click on the raffle copter giveaway that we have in there. And one lucky person will win this little card. So that's cute. I want a leaf to put behind it. Does that still considered one? I should have cut this flower out, but instead I'm going to take this leaf. So yeah, the lucky winner, what we'll do is we'll let this run through the weekend. We have a sale going on at the store too for National Card Making Day or for World Card Making Day. So if you want to get 20% off in store, the code is Paper Hug, because that's what we consider a card, right? So be sure to go shopping on the store and use your coupon, which by the way is good on a lot of stuff. You'll be able to see it's good on Misty's because I know you guys like to get your Misty's at 20% off. It's good on Misty's. It's good on all kinds of stuff. So go check out the sale. And then when the sale ends is when our giveaway will end. So let me get these little leaves cut and we'll add them to the envelope. And I think it's super cute. I think they did an amazing job. I know y'all think they did as well. All right, so move this out of the way and let's glue this down. I gave them a lot to work. Oh, this is cute. What was this for? You guys know because you saw it happen. I don't know what he stamped. This neon Post-it notes. I had to get new Post-it notes. Can't see them. Somebody, I think that was Josh that stamped a leaf. I don't know for sure who did what, but Josh said to me something about, he asked me about stamping. And so I feel like he did some stamping. All right, let's see. We'll do this. So my one element is something that, you know, we can use. I don't feel like I just came in and didn't add anything to the card. This is adding to the card as well. It's cute. There we go. And we'll glue that little guy down. I want to try to make sure I get it glued down really well so it can go through the mail. So there you go. That is our card for World Card Making Day, a little tag team card. Don't you love that? I love that. I can't wait to watch the video because I don't know who did what. That'll be super fun. Hey, I want to challenge you guys. This weekend, make a card for someone and mail it to them. And when you make that card, head to our customer gallery on MaymayMadeIt.com and show us a picture of the card you made on World Card Making Day weekend. I would love to see it. It's World Card Making Day, but I'm stretching it into a weekend. Ha ha. Hey, thanks so much for watching today, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.